We love Hakka，and
I Hakka。
We love Hakka。现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来講客家吧。
Hey, what's up? It's time for Peta Hakka here on ICRT.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice 彭。
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Ling。All right， 在这个单元当中，我们教好多很实用的这个客家片语啊。Here's one I think we need to teach. No worries, no problem. 常常会讲说啊，别担心，安心啦。这个客语应该要怎么说呢？
安心，
安心就是安心咯，真的是这样讲哈。OK， 好，很多时候为了要就是可能很多事情很急啊，怎么样啊，然后说没问题，安心，我会替你处理，
马上就到。
譬如说上班啊，感觉那个公车还没到啊，会很那个忧心啊，对不对？
对呀。
一看到公车在你眼前就安心了。Right? Let's say you're going to work and you're worried the bus has not arrived, and then you see the bus. Of course, you're going to go, no worries, I'm not going to be late now. Okay? 好，公车怎么还不来？
公車用板很忙來。
公車用板很忙。
對，再一次。
公車用板很忙來。OK， 公車就是公車 ，That's the bus。用板很忙來就是还没来，
还不来。
很忙來就是 that means why is it not here yet? Why? And then you see it， 当然你看到了就来，还是隔壁的人说来了，对，It's coming， 來嘞，這時候就覺得安心了，對不對？All right， 安心了，上班不會遲到了。No worries, now I'm not going to be late to work。
安心嘞。上班唔會敷唔到嘞。安心嘞，上班唔會敷唔到嘞。
敷的意思是
敷唔到，就是來不及了，他會
趕不到，
直接趕不到，來不及了就是遲到啦。
的意思。Okay, so the term late or I'm not gonna make it is actually what it means is 敷唔到嘞。了解。然後上班就是上班 ，that means to go to work. Okay.
上班唔會敷唔到嘞。
All right, let's review some of these terms then, okay? The bus, of course, the public bus, 公車，然後還不來 not here yet，
很忙來
，OK? 那來就是來嘛，來 that means come， 然後遲到呢？
敷唔到
that's to be late, all right? And it's all about the phrase to not worry or no worries， 安心。坦白讲啊，早一点出门就不会迟到，就安心了吗？ All right, that does it for today's talk about Hakka。
什麼大家？
安子say 張來了。
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.